like my duty every time. The string is tied up. We have no experience whatsoever. See the anchor in my hand. Welcome. We are back at Coquar Bay. This is not our final stop. Our trip continues. The last time we came here, I got some nice whelks. The weather wasn't as nice as today. It wasn't so sunny, blue skies. The water wasn't as clear. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do some snorkeling, although the water seems very murky, as you can see right beside me. And due to the fact that when I came here last time I saw some crocodile tracks, I don't know if me feel comfortable going out of the water stuff, but we're gonna try to go catch catch some more whelks while we are here. Look at the beauty of Coquar Bay. Deserted, protected, uninhabited Coquar Bay. Miles upon miles. Anyways, we are on our way to our whelks. We're almost there. Must keep focused and keep going. We reached the reef and it's time for us to shoe up. I have my Luna sandals. Hopefully they don't let me down. So this is the end of the sandy part of Coquar Bay, and you have the reef. Beautiful reef. Today is a beautiful day, and I should have carried my snorkel from over this side, you know, because the reef here is so beautiful. Up to you. No, we went on a hole in here. Did he go to this hole? We're still going. Here we have a grandma. Oh my goodness. That's a big one. And you can eat these guys too. This one was easy. Look at that square. Poop, go in the bag. See the wave right here. The wave got me. Where is the... Listen, let me get this one. Oh, got it. It fell with the wave. I got it. Got it. Yeah, that one is too tiny. You see, when you have to fight them, that means that they're big. This is my bounty from this little spot. Put them in the bag. Look here. Yeah. See? You have to wait for the wave. Look at that. You wait for the wave and they are right in the water.
Teaching people survival skills.
Yeah.
I'm just walking fast food because the whole of the little cockroach thing something.
Yeah. Look at this beauty. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, we are exploring the other side. We're moving from where we were right there, so, and we are going to the back. Me just put that little patch of sand over there, so see the boat way there, so, and Holy Garbage right there, so. Wait, he's leaving me behind. All this. How I get over the marker?
All right. Okay, go left, yeah.
Oh my God. We made it to the other side. There's a big one right there, so me, I have go down this one now. But look at that beach over there. Wow. This is a brand new found beach right behind Coquar Bay. Our boat is right there. This is where we collected the first whelks, and this was the second spot that we found. We're heading to the beach to discover. Let's go. Vamos. Vengan conmigo arriba. Únanse a la exploración. Look at that. Whoa. See the nice little beach right there. Nice, eh? There's a like a mangrove situation going on here. Alright, I don't have my snorkel with me here now, but I'm gonna show you the coral. Let's go. Beautiful! And we are heading back to the boat now. Our time at Coquar Bay is up. We are heading to Pelican Island. Let's go. Come on, come on! Bring it, bring it, bring it! Yes! So after that one big barracuda catch, we made our way to Big Pelican Island and Little Pelican Island. It's our first time here. It's just basically a little sandbar. We are at the beautiful Little Pelican Island, right beside Big Pelican Island. This is just a replica of Maiden Key. It's just a sandbar. There is not a lot of reef life, although there is more fish here than at Maiden Key. Mom, Dad, the kids are over there. Just give you a 360 of the little sand patch. Right here in Kingston, Jamaica. So I'm gonna get back in the water and see if I find anything interesting to show you guys.
If you see a jellyfish in the ocean and you don't know how to handle them, stay away from them. Notice that the first jellyfish was very different from this one, and I got very close to it. However, I am staying far away from this one because it has very long tentacles and they can sting you. So if you don't know how to handle them, stay away. I'm only touching this one from the front.
What a beautiful patch of life is. That makes me so happy. Me happy, me happy, me happy. Me can't wait to come back here. So.
We're going to scale the barcode at the end of the car.
So we are back in the kitchen now. So here we have all our whelks facing up. This is the first time I do them in a bowl like this. Containers. My husband suggested I do it like this, so we're gonna try it this way. I'm going to cover it up with foil paper and put all of these in the grill. So everything, ooh, I can hear it sizzling in there. You hear that? Yeah man, things are going. So I have officially turned off the grill and I did a test. As you can see here, I have successfully pulled out one of the whelks from each of the containers. They are all nice and cooked already. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I will do that operation, do that transaction, clean them all up tomorrow, and then I'll show you how I prepare them to make a nice whelks pasta. Last night Enzo went ahead and cleaned some of the whelks. He didn't clean the entire thing, but he did get them out of the shell, but I preserved some to show you guys the entire process on how to get them clean. So here is what Enzo cleaned so far. As you can see, there is still some tripe left in there, and it's a good amount. It's a big ball, as you can see here. Here is the ones that I'm gonna be showing you how to get clean. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering like so with this technique of covering, it is so easy for them to come off. Like, you don't even have to use any utensils. You can just pull them out, and as you can see, I'm using one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. No, is it that easy? Yes, it's that easy. So you can see. So we didn't get everything out, but we don't need to, because what we got out is what we're going to be eating. And I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the remaining stuff that you don't want to eat, and for that I need both hands. So right here we have the nail. We don't want that because it's tough, just like a shell. We put that aside. And right here we have part of the tripe, and that is what we're gonna be cutting, split down the middle, and then it reveals exactly what we want and what we don't want. So what we don't want, we want to cut that. You cut it. You cut it. As you can see here, it's all gone, and then we are left with the nice clean meat. Now it's up to you if you want to shave off this black part here, which, unlike what I thought, is not tough at all. Just to make it nicer, whiter. You can even cut off the whole thing if you want, and then you're just left with a nice white meat here that you're gonna cut in small pieces if you desire, or leave it as a big chunk if you want. So we're gonna be cooking this down a little bit to soften it more, and then we're gonna be adding the sauce to put in the pasta later. Here are our whelks. Oh, that is a lot of whelks. Make it sit for a while. All the liquids have been dry. So in goes some butter, a little tiny piece of crushed bonnet pepper, a whole lot of garlic. Nice time. Now for the whelk, I do not need to add any sort of powdery, artificial seasoning to this dish. None at all, because I want to preserve the flavor of the whelks as much as possible. I don't even add a lot of pepper, although there's a Jamaican in the house. We don't enjoy a lot of pepper, but you can make this as peppery as you like. So I am going to make it saute a little bit like this, and then I'm gonna be adding the rest of the ingredients. Added extra olive oil to it because this is going to be what is going to bring the moist into our pasta. It may be a little bit too oily for you guys. If you don't like so much oil, you don't have to go that far with the oil. The lemon zest, I normally just do this over the pot, but because I'm filming it's kind of challenging, so here we go. Good amount, good amount. So here is my share. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time on the next escape. Bye.